If you are looking for halal loan in the USA but want to avoid interest, then this video is for you. In Islam, interest, riba, or usury is prohibited. That means a conventional loan where you borrow money and repay the principal plus predetermined interest generally does not meet Islamic financing principles. Instead, Islamic finance uses structures based on trade, leasing, partnerships, and asset backed transactions. So rather than simply lending money for interest, a Sharia compliant provider may participate in halal financing and halal loans. Halal financing has three structures. You can choose either one based on your needs and requirements. The first structure is known as Murabaha. In this structure, instead of giving you a cash loan with interest to purchase an asset, the financier purchases the asset and then sells it to you at an agreed markup, which you repay over time. Another structure is Ijara, which is similar to leasing. The financier purchases an asset and leases it to the customer in exchange for agreed payments. The third structure is Musharaka. It is a partnership-based structure. In home financing, for example, the financier and customer may jointly own a property, while the customer gradually purchases the financier's share. The exact structure and Sharia interpretation can vary between providers, so it is important to understand the contract rather than relying only on the word halal. Now, one very important question. Can we get halal financing in the USA? The simple answer is yes, we can get. There are Islamic and Sharia compliant financing options available, but the key is understanding how the transaction is structured, not simply the provider calls it halal. In the United States, halal loans are available in home financing, automobile financing, business financing, and other asset based transactions. Different halal loan providers call it differently. Some call it Islamic financing, some Sharia compliant financing, and some others halal financing. Before choosing any halal financing option, review the agreement carefully. At least check them on the following terms: how the financing structure works, whether interest or riba is involved, the total amount you will pay, late payment provisions, ownership of the asset, early payment or early termination rules, whether the product has been reviewed by qualified Sharia scholars. Also remember that Sharia compliance is not the same thing as financial affordability. They are two different things. A product can be structured to comply with a particular Sharia standard while still being expensive or unsuitable for your financial situations. If you are considering a specific product, review the actual contract and consult a qualified Islamic finance scholar and an appropriate financial professional. It will keep you safe in religious and worldly sense. This video is for educational purposes only, and it is not a fatwa, legal advice, or financial advice. If you found this video helpful, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone looking for halal financing in America. Inshallah, see you in the next video. Till then, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.